Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make two tables the same size in Microsoft Outlook. So let's start it. At first open a document. Firstly going to the insert menu option and click for the table option. Then create a table. Now I can see that select the all table and the keyboard press is Ctrl C. Then click under table is the press the enter, then press keyboard is the Ctrl V, then show the two table is same size in Outlook. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.